Welcome back, my DIY nomads. I hope you're all doing really well today. Bit of a weird short video today, but something I think is really serious. I'm a bit late to the game, and we have only got until Friday to address it. Basically, there's a new bill coming in the UK, and it puts a large amount of potential restriction on anyone that lives alternatively, anyone that lives more of a nomadic lifestyle. And what this new bill proposes, when you read it, it all sounds fine, but then if you look at the way it's worded, it basically allows the police to have a lot more power over anyone that is sort of dwelling in a van. The current bill, as we know it in the UK, is, I think, more than adequate. I think this is really coming down to another case of a few are ruining it for the many, but the new proposed bill, the police could fine and or imprison you and seize your vehicle for something very minor, which is like worrying. I totally understand. I get it that, you know, if you're a landowner, you obviously want to be protected as well, and you don't want someone parking up on your land, taking the piss, and sort of, you know, making it dirty and like pooing everywhere, leaving rubbish everywhere, being like creating a load of noise. I get that, but already our laws cover those things. Now, Van Monkeys have done an amazing blog post about this. I'll link it below. It'll be just below the response link in the description below. So if you could go check that out and then also go and submit a response. We only have until Friday. I know I haven't given you guys very much time, but any extra amount of responses that I can gather from you guys is just another thumbs up, really. So yeah, check out the information from the Van Monkeys blog. Another big shout out to Nate Murphy and Project Amber. I saw their videos about it as well, and I think it's really important that we all put forward our reason as to why we believe this bill is more discriminatory against anyone that wants to live more alternatively, nomadically, in their lands, etc. So yeah, please check out. The top link will be for submitting your response. If you can also contact your local MP, that's also pretty cool. But I just thought it'd be really important to share this information with you guys, and I'd really appreciate it if you guys could, you know, step forward and help save a bit more of the UK van life. And that's really all I wanted to share, a really quick video. So please share with as many friends and family as you can, get them to submit responses, and hopefully this bill won't go through, which would be amazing. But yeah, I'll catch you, your DIY nomads, next time.